The Smart Manufacturing Cell is a 6-axis robot designed specifically to work with Mazak laser machines. The robot can automatically change heads and grippers to pick up parts of varying sizes using different methods depending on the material. The robot is easily programmed by Mazak's Smart System CAD/CAM software. This highly graphical user interface allows the user to sort the parts into stacks ready for the next downstream process, such as welding or bending. The Smart Manufacturing Cell can be installed as a standalone unit with a laser machine or integrated into a larger automation system. Adding automation to a flatbed laser really lets you leverage the advantages of the latest generation of Optiplex Neo fiber lasers. The machine itself comes with enhanced features such as automatic nozzle changers or automatic nozzle centering, which is really useful when you change materials. What these systems all have in common is they offer a fully automatic cutting and sorting solution on a very compact footprint. They are also compatible with both existing and future Mazak lasers, meaning you can retrofit to an existing laser or change your laser in the future without having to change your automation system. The Compact Storage Tower Double, or CSTD, comes as standard with 21 pallets, each with 3 tons of either raw material or scrap configurable to the user's needs. That provides a total of 63 tons capacity. The system is also available as both a single tower or a 1 or 2 pallet system, completely configurable to suit your own production needs and your building. The automatic sheet handling process includes various features to ensure stable production. For example, the sheet stack is separated using magnets and air-jet systems, and the sheet thickness is measured before being loaded into the laser. 3 separate cutting pallets deliver maximum efficiency, with pallet 1 in the machine cutting, while pallet 2 is being loaded in the tower, and pallet 3 is with the robot for part sorting. This time-saving operation allows for a faster processing time as each section of the system works simultaneously. The system is easily scheduled and controlled using Mazak's Smooth Line Controller. This is compatible with most ERP and MRP systems to give you full factory control. The Smart Manufacturing Cell solves both labour shortages and the labour-intensive loading and unloading of raw materials. It allows a user to have overnight or unmanned production, meaning it's perfect for repetitive jobs or small batch production at subcontractors or job shops.